big chick, though.
Good morning, detailed world. How y'all doing? We about to go ahead and get going on this suburban high country Chevy Suburban, but it's a beautiful day out here. It was supposed to be raining today, but I guess the rain just said it's gone. I guess it just don't want to be here. But look at the sky, nice and cloudy. Sun trying to shine, but it probably start shining about a day. But other than that, you know, day looking well. Still don't know why this camera looks so dark. I got on YouTube and I tried my best to fix these settings. Today I'm just gonna reset the whole camera to default. We just gonna do it like that because I'm tired of it. I'm trying my best to get it back to where it was. I love the quality. At first the quality kind of iffy, but regardless of that, didn't work yesterday because of the rain. It rained pretty well. Those storms that came through Nashville actually caused tornadoes to hit Austin, Texas. Let's give a prayer up for those people, and it actually hit New Orleans. Well, I saw in the news that one person died, so let's pray for those people too. But man, this world crazy, man. It's always something. But out here in this detail world, it's always something too. So you know what I mean? Like I said, it was supposed to rain, so I only had one customer, but had a few other people that want some cars done. So I actually got somebody else to get their cars done. The guy over there, he want to get his work vehicle done, so I might come back and do him later. But right now, I'm about to go ahead and knock out this high country. Don't have the drone today because it's pretty windy. I left it at home. I had the GoPro doing a little footage. Yesterday I put a video up with me riding my bike with the drone following me. That's the first time I ever used the follow mode on the drone. Me and the kids will be going canoeing soon. I'll be doing it while we canoeing too. But other than that, man, we're about to go ahead and knock this car out. Like I said, man, it's a beautiful day. And if it's not a beautiful day, look in the mirror, look at yourself and tell yourself that you're beautiful. But man, we're gonna continue doing what we do. Hit that subscribe button, leave them likes, leave them comments. Hey, do what y'all do, cause I'm gonna do what I do. Peace. All right, detail world. We just finished this Chevy High Country Suburban. Like I said, it was just a bakeness making me wash. The reason I say making I know you see this car all the time on the vlog. You know what I mean? She's a very good customer of mine, so she want to always make sure her car stay in pristine shape, and we ones who want to do it for her. You know what I mean? But we finished out the whole interior. Interior of the car came out fantastically clean. The interior of the car with this black on black, sometimes it's easy to clean, things like that. You know, with these big monitors, you got to make sure you wipe that stuff off. Like I said, the doors, they've been lately having this ashy look. I don't know what GMC doing with this plastic, but I had to give it a leather condition because it was real ashy. But other than that, man, we finished here. We're about to head to the next stop, which is not too far from here. And I want y'all to hit them likes, hit them shares, leave a comment, do what you got to do, because we're going to do what we got to do, and I'll catch you at the next stop. Peace. Detail world, how y'all doing? We just finished this Can-Am Maverick. I got to reshoot this video because, like I said, I bought a microphone. Well, I didn't buy it. I had a microphone for my other vlog setup that I used to do when I used to stream, and I found this microphone. I keep forgetting how to turn it on, so I just did like 3 minutes worth of talking. But like I said, we just had to do the exterior of this car. Nothing major, just the exterior washing of it. And like I was saying in the other video, I found the bird nest inside that seat. So I actually removed the eggs and put them over there. We just did, like I said, just did an exterior on that car. We also did an exterior on this Dodge Ram TRX. Like I said, if you look at it, the wheels are nice and clean. They was pretty dirty. Windows, everything. We didn't do the interior windows because we don't have the key. He's not here. So if you look at the car, it came out nice and clean. Got a nice shine to it. I know you should definitely get a cover for this car sitting under these trees and drop these little beads of sap on it, so it took me a little bit of time to get that off. Just that Dodge Ram TRX. We also did an exterior clean on this Chevy 57 BEL-AIR. Like I said, it was just the exterior, nothing to do with the interior, but the wheels and windows, they all nice and clean. Look at the rims, and but it's a beautiful car. I told him he should get a cover for this car. If you get a cover for this car every time I clean it, I'll definitely cover it for him, but I don't know if he even took up my suggestion. But I'm gonna show you those bird eggs. Like I said, I removed the bird nest, and I didn't know it was a bird nest until it was too late. And when I was pulling it out, it was actually 3 bird eggs in there. So right now I'm trying to figure out what to do with these bird eggs. I'm gonna call this pet store and see if they could take them, or if they know anything I should do, if they have any suggestions. But I'm kind of upset that I removed these eggs from the nest, because I know once the mother come back looking, she's going to be a little bit upset about her eggs missing, and definitely her nest being destroyed. It is springtime, and I noticed there's a lot of eggs being laid. I've been seeing a lot of people post videos of eggs on their porch and things like that. The lady actually got a dove laying eggs on her porch inside a pot. But like I say, we did that Can-Am Maverick, we did this Dodge Ram TRX, and we did this 57 BEL-AIR. And also in the process, we just did an exterior cleaning on this Rolls-Royce. Nothing in the interior, you just want an exterior on all 4 cars. Like I say, this is a beautiful car. I love on this car when the car drives, the center cap literally just sits right there. I forgot what it was called. I actually knew the name of this, but you see how beautiful that is. I've seen people change, get it colored, things like that. I actually seen somebody change theirs and put a model of them, like a toy model of them. That grill is beautiful. You hear the quality of that ain't no plastic, but this is a beautiful car. All these cars are nice. Like I said, we just did the exterior on it. I'm finna go ahead and pull it in the garage. It was supposed to rain today, so I didn't have any work. I had one appointment. I was supposed to do him tomorrow, but since I didn't have anybody else, I was like, hey man, let me just come on and do you. So he let me do that. He haven't moved this car in a while. This is that V8 bi-turbo GT Mercedes-Benz. It's a beautiful car, so I haven't watched this one in a while. But like I said, I'm about to go ahead and pull this Rolls-Royce in. Let them know I'm done with all the cars, shut the garage. And see if this other lady want me to come. If not, we headed home. Like always, man, I want y'all to hit that subscribe button. I want y'all to hit them likes, hit them comments. Man, share this with your friends. They need to see this great comment, man. And this content. And I appreciate everybody, man, like always. And like I said, if this is the last car, I'll catch y'all on the next video. Peace.